morning, dear students. How are you? Hope you all are fit and fine at your homes. And do you know, students, now your exams are coming. So now you have to work hard. Okay. So from today onwards, we will revise our revision. Okay. Written work revision. Okay. Today we will revise our letters from and to V. Okay. So all of you take out your rubber, pencil and eraser, all these things, and also open your notebook and write with me. Okay.
Okay. So what we will do first? First we will mention the date here. Okay. So first write the date in your notebook. What is the date of the day, children? Today is 12, 1 and 22nd. Okay. You also write the date in your notebooks. Okay. Yes. So from today onwards we will do our revision work, PT3 revision. Okay. So first we will write here PT dash 3 revision, that is REVISION revision है ना. Okay, PT3 revision. And today we are taking the letters from N to V. ओके. ठीक है ना. आज हम कहाँ से कहाँ तक लिखेंगे लेटर्स? लेटर लिखेंगे हम N फॉर नेस्ट से V फॉर वैन तक. ओके. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट विथ राइटिंग लेटर्स विथ मी. फर्स्ट वी विल राइट. हमें कैसे लिखना है एग्जाम्स में? जहाँ से स्टार्ट है वहाँ से हमें भी स्टार्ट करना है, और जहाँ पे ये एंड किया गया है V तक पूछा है तो हम N से स्टार्ट करेंगे और फिर सीक्वेंस में लिखेंगे. जैसे N के बाद क्या आता है ना. विच लेटर विल कम आफ्टर N? दैट इज आवर लेटर O, है ना. N O P Q R S T U and our last letter is V. तो हमें लेटर N से स्टार्ट करना है और एंड कहाँ पर करना है? लेटर V फॉर वैन. ओके. कहाँ पे करना है? V फॉर वैन. ओके. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट राइटिंग लेटर्स विथ मी. फर्स्ट वी विल राइट आवर लेटर N. ओके. यस. Write the letters N. For making our letter N, we have to draw one standing line. Okay. Then after taking some gap, we will draw again one more standing line. Okay. And after that go upside, and from left to right you have to draw one slanting line. Okay. Slanting line means right slanting line you have to draw. Okay. Right slanting line from top to the bottom like this. Okay. Always draw the slanting line from left to right. Always keep in mind. Okay. है ना. आपको ध्यान रखना है कि ये जो स्लैंटिंग लाइन है वो आपको कैसे ड्रॉ करनी है? लेफ्ट टू राइट ही ड्रॉ करनी है. ओके. आपको राइट टू लेफ्ट ड्रॉ नहीं करनी है, अदरवाइज वो आपका लेटर रॉन्ग हो जाएगा. ओके. सो ऑलवेज कीप इन माइंड दैट राइट द लेटर्स फ्रॉम राइट द लेटर properly and draw the slanting line from top to the bottom. Yes. So tell me how many lines we need for making our letter N? We need 2 standing line, 1 sleeping line, 2 standing line, 1 slanting line, 2 standing line, 1 slanting line. We need for make the letter N. Okay. Yes. So So this is our letter M. N. Now tell me children, which letter will come after N? Yes, our letter N O. For that you have to tell again and again. Okay. N के बाद आता है letter O. Now children tell me how to write letter O. Like this, that I will show you. For that you have to draw one left big curve and come down slowly and touch the third line. After that go upside slowly and touch this line to the left big curve. Okay, आपको क्या करना है, आपको लेटर O बनाने के लिए सबसे पहले आपको क्या करना है, यू हैव टू ड्रॉ अ लेफ्ट बिग कर्व. After that touch the third line, that is our black line. After that go upside slowly and touch the left big curve. Okay, yes. And after that tell me which letter will come after O children. Yes, N O. आपको बार बार रिवाइज करके देखना है, बोल के देखना है लेटर्स को. N, आप यदि कंफ्यूज हैं कि O के बाद कौन सा लेटर आता है तो आप बोल के देखेंगे. N O P, देन ऑटोमेटिकली है ना वो आपके मुंह से निकलेगा कि N के बाद O के बाद P आता है लेटर. ओके, सो वी विल राइट हियर लेटर P. For making our letter P, we have to draw one standing line first. Okay, after that again go upside and draw one right small curve. Okay, from top to the middle and touch the standing line. Okay, so this is our letter P. Okay, keep in mind always that make this curve from right है ना, always make right small curve. Okay, यदि आप left curve draw कर देंगे तो आपका लेटर उल्टा हो जाएगा, so वो wrong होगा आपका लेटर. So always draw right small curve whenever you make this letter. Now which letter will come after P? N O P. Then which letter will come? Q. Yes, very good. Then letter Q will come. For making our letter Q, we have to draw first letter O. Okay, like this. Okay, yes, हो गया लेटर O. हाँ, yes. फिर हम क्या करेंगे? Draw one dot in the middle line. Okay, and after that one more dot on the right side, outside of the letter. Okay, yes. After that we match both the dots. We draw one right slanting line, right small slanting line from middle to the bottom. Right slanting line, small right slanting line that touch the third line. Okay, so this is our letter Q. Now which letter will come after Q? Q के बाद कौन सा लेटर आता है? Q के बाद आता है लेटर R. N O P Q R. For making our letter R, first we have to draw one standing line. After that make a right small curve from top to the middle, जैसा कि हमने लेटर P बनाया था. Okay, after that from there don't pick up your pencil. From there you have to draw one small right slanting line from middle to the bottom. Okay, so this is our letter R. Okay, yes. Now which letter will come after letter R? Yes, after R now letter S will come. Then how to write letter S? Okay, look here. First you have to draw one left small curve. After that from top to the middle, and don't pick up your pencil. From there you have to turn the pencil and draw a left right small curve for making letter S. Okay, yes. So this is our letter S, and after letter S which letter will come? Now letter T. Letter T. How to write letter T? For making our letter T, we have to draw one sleeping line, small sleeping line, and from in middle to the sleeping line we have to draw one standing line like this. Then this is our letter T. After that, which letter will come? After that, letter U will come. Okay, how to draw letter U? For making our letter U, first we draw one standing line from top to the middle. After that, take a curve, take a U-turn, and again come upside and slowly touch the first line. Okay, so you have to take a curve whenever you make this letter U. U लेटर बनाने के लिए आपको क्या करना है, नीचे से टर्न लेना पड़ेगा लेटर U में. ओके है ना, ठीक है. So this is our letter U, and after that which letter will come? S T U V. Our letter V. So draw one left slanting line from top to the bottom. After that, don't pick up your pencil, वहीं से draw a right slanting line, left slanting line. Okay, from bottom to the top. ठीक है, पहले आपको कहाँ जाना है? ऊपर से नीचे, फिर वहीं से आपको नीचे से ऊपर की ओर आना है. For making our letter V. Okay, so this is our English revision work. Okay, yes. तब आपको ये लेटर्स की प्रैक्टिस करनी है, ठीक है. So do practice these letters well at your home, children. And now we will meet in our next class. Till then, bye bye to everyone.